Hey busy people, welcome to the channel and welcome once again to yet another video on Talking Mom Favorite 5s. So I feel super excited about my favorite 5s because पूरे महीने बहुत सारी different चीज़ों को review करना and to shortlist them to only 5 favorite things, it's not an easy task. Because I somehow feel that this is a very important information that I kind of want to share with you guys. So I make sure that whatever favorites I share with you are really worth sharing. So if you haven't already watched my previous monthly favorite 5s, then I'll link all those videos in my description box, as well as I'm tagging the last one right here in this link. So the first thing that most of the people are all gaga about during these lockdown days are the video conferencing. And according to me, the best application for any kind of video conferencing is Google Hangouts. It's my absolute personal favorite. Well, you can say that I am a little biased about Google, but as you all know that I'm a work from home parent and I've been using Google Hangouts since forever. So I completely vouch for this particular application. Well, the new applications are definitely giving way more better features, but somehow I am hooked to Google Hangouts for primarily 2 reasons. First one is that I don't have to do a separate sign up for Google Hangouts. If I have a Gmail account, then I am free to use Hangout for as long as I want. And second is what I just said. I can actually go on a video conferencing for as long as I want. I have literally done a call for 1 to 1.5 hours just on Google Hangouts. And I just feel that the user interface is so simple and so convenient. You can even download this application on your phone and pick up your video conferencing from anywhere, literally anywhere. So that's why Google Hangouts is my this month's favorite number 1. So moving on to my second favorite. As I'm getting more and more interested towards my new hobby, that is gardening, I just stumbled upon a video that was talking about microgreens. So I just gave it a little thought. It's not only a fun activity for me and my kid, but in return, I'm also getting a power-packed, full of nutrient food product right at my home. So this month, I tried growing microgreens in small containers along with my daughter, and we both completely loved it. I use those microgreens on my sandwiches or on top of my salad, and I am literally hooked to it. So अगर आप इस वक्त बाहर से कोई सीड सोर्स नहीं कर सकते हैं कुछ ग्रो करने के लिए, so मैं कहूँगी कि घर में ही अवेलेबल सीड्स को ग्रो करके माइक्रोग्रीन ज़रूर उगाइए. मेथी दाना हो गया, मस्टर्ड सीड हो गया, जीरा हो गया या कोई भी दाल हो गई. सो माइक्रोग्रीन्स को ग्रो करना इतना आसान होता है. बस सॉइल की लेयर पे आपको थोड़े से बीज डालने हैं और उसको रेगुलर वाटर करना है. हफ्ते भर से 10 दिन के बीच में आपके माइक्रोग्रीन्स हार्वेस्टिंग के लिए तैयार हो जाएंगे और उसी के साथ आपने घर बैठे ही एकदम पावर पैक्ड सोर्स ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट इकट्ठा कर लिया. एटलीस्ट गिव इट अ ट्राई. आई से यू आर नॉट गोना लूज एनीथिंग, रादर एक तीर से हो जाएंगे 2 निशाने. ना सिर्फ आपके बच्चे उन छोटे छोटे पौधों को उगते हुए देख के बहुत खुश हो जाएंगे, बल्कि आपकी प्लेट पे जाएगा ढेर सारा न्यूट्रिएंट आपके घर में ही उगाया हुआ. सो डू गिव इट अ ट्राई एंड टेल मी इन द कमेंट बिलो कि आप कौन से सीड से पहले स्टार्ट करना शुरू करेंगे. Okay, so the next favorite that I'm hooked to completely are the online workouts. So since I was in the testing phase, मैंने अभी बहुत सारे different workouts follow करने की कोशिश की. But that one app which I completely loved is Adidas Runtastic. आप नाम सुन के ये बिल्कुल मत सोचिएगा कि बहुत ही अग्रेसिव और इंटेंस एक्सरसाइज है इसके अंदर. Absolutely not. Rather, that's the best part about this app. That this app has so many different free content that you can choose as per your choice. लेकिन अगर आपको available content में से कोई भी workout पसंद नहीं आ रहा है, you even have the liberty to customize your own workout. So I basically customized my exercise routine, leveled up those exercises and kept changing the exercises as per my body demanded. So in this app you get very clear directions to follow and this app is very easy to use. So अगर आप भी ढूंढ रहे हैं कुछ इस तरीके का एप्लीकेशन जो कि आपको घर बैठे ही एक्सरसाइज कराए, then I'll say give a try to Adidas Runtastic. So since we are finding our own ways of passing these quarantine phase, I actually started watching a lot of motivational movies. And the one movie that I literally loved watching this month was the movie Panga. ना सिर्फ इस मूवी की स्टोरी लाइन और स्टार कास्ट मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी, बल्कि I loved that one single message that this movie tried to convey. Actually, this message is something which is very close to my heart. It motivates all the moms to come back to their previous lives which they have actually left because of one reason or the other. And this is one message I want to pass on to all the beautiful homemakers right there with the help of this channel. So Panga is a movie which actually guides you and motivates you to pick up that one thing that you are really passionate about. तो ये मूवी ना सिर्फ इंस्पिरेशनल है बल्कि बहुत ही ज्यादा मोटिवेट करती है आप लोगों को एटलीस्ट वो फर्स्ट स्टेप उठाने के लिए जिसको उठाने से आप कहीं ना कहीं हिचक रहे हैं. So if you want to go ahead and do something for yourself, then I'll say watch this movie and utilize this time to start that thing off. So here we are at my last favorite of the month. With the help of this video, I would like to show gratitude and thank all those great content creators who are actually keeping us sane during these tough times. There is so much of innovative and motivational content that creators are creating every single day, and that is actually helping all of us to gain one thing or the other. I myself have consumed so much of great content during these lockdown days, from entertaining lockdown challenges to fun and humorous creative videos. Creators are literally creating a lot of great and amazing content. So I'll say if you happen to watch some videos, then don't forget to appreciate their hard work. And that's why to applaud these creators, I have deliberately kept them in my favorite fives. So that's all with this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed April's favorite fives, and if you did, then you know the drill. You just have to give this video a big thumbs up and do let me know in the comments below कि इस सब लिस्ट में से आपको कौन सा फेवरेट सबसे अच्छा लगा. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to Talking Mom, and I'll see you in my next video. Until next time, thank you for watching.